So now come to question number 10, phase 1, exercise 1, straight line, mathematics. Find equation of the line which passes through the point and whose gradient. Slope is given, point is given, very simple form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now next part is find the coordinate of the point on the line that are 5 units away from the, so two parts are there. In first part, y minus y1 passing through this is equal to m 3 upon 4 into x minus x1. So 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 9. So this gives 4y is equal to 3x minus 1. So this will be the answer of the first one. So here 4 will come, 4y is equal to 3x minus 1 is the line. Now suppose this is the line, it is given, a point is given here. Suppose point is P 3, 2. Now from this point, I have to find coordinates of the point on the line that are 5 units away from this. So I have to find coordinates of these points A. 2 points can be there, B. So this distance can be 5 unit. This distance can be 5 unit. These 2 points I have to calculate. So as we are talking about the distance, so I will write the distance form of the line. What is distance form of the line? X minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to r. R can be plus minus 5. So tan theta is given here. Slope of the line is given as 3 upon 4. So slope of the line is 3 upon 4. This is 3, 4. So this will be 5 Pythagoras theorem. So sin theta, cos theta I can write. Sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Cos theta will be 4 upon 5. And this point is 3, 2. So equation I can write x minus x1 3 upon cos theta 4 upon 5 is equal to y minus y1. y1 is 2 upon sin theta 3 upon 5 is equal to plus minus 5. This 5 will go to top and we will divide here. So I can write x minus 3 upon 4 is equal to y minus 2 5 upon 5 plus minus 1. So one time I will take plus sign, one time I will take minus sign and get the two coordinates. So x minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 1 and 2, y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. Next time take minus and y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Calculate. So x is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. And from here, x is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. And y is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. So two answers are there of this. So points are, final answer is the points are 7, 5 or you can have minus 1. So 2 points will be there on both sides of the line. So this completes the answer. Thank you.